welcome back. So today we're just showing you how we set up our DIY Christmas pictures. So my husband is just starting by setting up the stands while I look around for some props to put into the photo shoot. Because things are a lot different this year, we thought this would be the best way to continue our social distancing and still get our photo shoot done without missing out on Christmas pictures this year. So here we're just setting up the stands for the backdrop. Now because I already had my light kit that already came with the backdrop stand, all we had to do was buy a Christmas themed backdrop, which was like 10 bucks on Amazon. Now that we got our backdrop up, my husband's just gonna finish putting up the lights while I start putting together the photo props. Now for the props, I sourced some of the things from my home. I also came up with an idea to keep a couple of boxes and wrap them up as faux presents. So I'm just putting some Christmas throw pillow covers onto these throw pillows, and I found the covers on Amazon. Adding pillows and throw blankets makes it a bit more cozy since we're at home anyway. Now here I'm just trying to figure out if this is what I want, if it's completed to me, and obviously feeling something's missing again. And this is it, guys. This is what I came up with. I sourced a lot of the stuff from home and some things from Amazon. So those are my faux presents. The Christmas trees came from my coffee table. I baked some fresh cookies for the kids. I added their ornament drink cups. I added some pillows and blankets. The rug actually came from their playroom. So that says "Home for the holidays" and happy holidays, and I thought those pillows were so cute. And I also forgot to show you guys that I got the book How the Grinch Stole Christmas. I think this was a great idea to do. We've done photo shoots at home before, but never Christmas ones because we love to go see Santa. So this was a great change for us and more practice. I would love to know what your favorite prop was in the comments below, and how do you think it turned out? Would you guys do something like this? Now, we took all of our pictures on a Galaxy Note 20. Here's how they came out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.